YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day or evening, whatever time this video goes up. This is a Dollar Tree haul for about 3 weeks, maybe. I think it's 4 hauls from the last 3 weeks. Anyway, maybe 4 weeks. I'm just going to show you what I got. Just haven't had a chance to do a video or get it together, whatever. Just been in that mode. So as you know, all the Dollar Tree stuff has all of those fixture stuff, but I'm going to start with that and get that out of the way. So, most of the Dollar Trees now, you can find some of the, what do you want to call it? Lego, not Lego. It's late, it's 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, whatever time it is. The large squares. So I got 2 of the black. And these have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 81 holes each. And then I just got some of the trays to go along with it. I don't know if these will actually fit in my IKEA board, but we shall see. So I got 2 white and the black. Sorry about all that noise. This is a tray, and as you can see, it's a different shape on the side. These are the strips that go on the back to mount it. I got 2 packs of those since I got 2 bags. These are the little peg hooks. They're smaller, and these are some peg hooks, but they're longer. It just depends on what you want to hook in those pegs. And then I just got one of the cups that can go onto it, and then I got some hooks, and I got a large and a small hook. So these, hopefully, I'm going to try them on my IKEA one as well and see if they fit on that. And then I did pick up another one of these little organizer notebooks. Cue, summary, notes, subject, and date. But of course, you can do it for whatever else you want in a 6 by 8.5, and it is 80 sheets. I also picked up these disposable shoe covers. I actually got those for my daughter. Another one of these index boxes, 3 by 5. I picked up some of the beads, and this is 125. Doesn't look like it, but I guess it is. And then they had these ovalwood beads, 30 piece. And then they had the, where's the round ones at? 15 piece. I got 5 packs of the Scrabble tiles. I already had the brown ones. I already showed you guys the brown ones a couple of months ago, maybe about beginning of the year, something like that. I don't know when that was. But now these are the colored ones. And these aren't that large, but I've seen people, do all the kids' names and stuff, and they grandkids, all of that stuff, and you can make them with all the towels. And that was kind of what my thinking was, and just put it on the canvas or something up in the room. And then I did get this set, which set of colors. Pink, white, and black. I'm not sure why they chose those 3 colors, but little pony beads, so I got those, the wood ones. And then I did get 4 of these little trays. So these are good, your fridge trays, but you can put storage in it, different stuff, different sizes that you can stick in here. And last but not least, I got these floral mesh, which I was excited to get these because they came in these different colors, and I thought this would be great for any type of mixed media. You got 4 different colors, so I was happy to get that. And I love the texture with these. You can put these on any kind of backgrounds, just to give you some texture. So, yeah. And it's pretty nice. Looks like a netting. as well. So that is my Dollar Tree haul, and hopefully you'll be able to find some of these things. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. I hope you have an awesome, wonderful day. Excuse me, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.